Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Honor Health application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. Once the application opens, tap on the device icon and here you should see your Honor Watch GS3. Tap on it to select it. On this page, tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner. Tap on the Delete Device option, then tap on Delete, and the watch will disappear from the device page. Now, go to the settings on your iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see Honor Watch GS3 on the list of my devices. There's two of them actually. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on forget this device, forget device, and then do the same for the second one. So forget this device and forget device. And once you're done, close the settings, and you can also close the app. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.